Yo, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for checking back with everything in between. Today we're going to be putting a air filter, a compressor air filter, on our Pancake. I think it's a 6-gallon Pancake air compressor. And you'll probably see when we go down there, you're going to see a lot of the rusts in there, or just the dirty water coming out from the bottom. But we're going to put this, and I didn't have enough time to get the stuff from Harbor Freight. I usually get my cheaper stuff from Harbor Freight, and they last quite a bit. I may be using these couplers and a quick disconnect, but I'm going to try and use one of these, probably one of these nipples here. And then I got the filter from Home Depot because I didn't make it in time to Harbor Freight. They closed 20 minutes. I got there, well, it was 20 minutes too late. So I just ran to Home Depot and got this one, which wasn't that much more than the one I was going to get at Harbor Freight. It was probably like $4 more for this one. It was like $13. And then I got some couplers just in case I need to put it onto the air compressor. So let's head on over to the air compressor and let's see if we can put these things on and get an air filter on this air compressor. I do have some Teflon tape. That's what I'm going to be using. They do have a Teflon paste that I heard works a lot better than the tape, but they didn't have it at Home Depot. That was the only, of all the other pastes they had, that one was the only one that was sold out. So I'm going to be grabbing some Teflon tape, and let's go ahead on over there. So let's see how much dirty water we get out of this thing. Let's turn it off. Okay. So as you can see, there was a little bit of water. I mean, it's enough to empty it out. So yeah, we'll clean that up later, but all the air is out, so let's go ahead and disconnect this. On this Pancake, it automatically came with two quick releases, and it has two of them. Two people can work simultaneously. Why you would have that on a 6-gallon tank, I don't know. Maybe doing small projects at the same time. Alright, so what I'm thinking is, since there's already a quick disconnect here, I'm going to maybe, oh, and one thing, on your filter, if it has an arrow, make sure you follow the arrow as the airflow. This one actually has an in. It says in right there, and this says out. So the air is going to flow from here out this way, so I'm going to put it like this. Okay, so I'm thinking about putting this quick disconnect coupler here, putting it like this, and then putting a coupler on the other side. Since this already has a quick disconnect on this side, I'm probably going to use a coupler here and then put this on this side. Let me go ahead and take this out the box real quick. Okay, so I'm going to put a coupler here like this, and then put this on here like this. Okay, and then it'll be like that, and this should automatically go in like that. It doesn't hit the tank here, it actually lets it go straight down, and that should be perfect. That should work perfect. Sometimes you'll have to use 90s or elbows and stuff like that if it hits your tank, but this one, it comes out perfect. enough to where it doesn't hit it. The bottom of the bowl here, a C-clip right here, and then you just use it to let you push in to let the air out, to let the pressure and let the air, let the water out of the bowl. So let me go ahead and tape these up, and I'll be right back. Alright, make sure I got my arrow facing that way. Go ahead and thread this on here. We're going to put this coupler here. I'm using 1/4 inch. I'm not pushing on the glass, I'm just using the body as leverage. Okay, hopefully that's tight enough. And then, time for this side. Alright, so let's get... Oh, great. Alright, I'm going to have to find something. Unless I can just do it like this. That's a little bit more. Make it a little bit easier. I really don't want to do too much on this body. I don't want to break this body. All I'm going to do is just grabbing it with the channel locks. Okay, and we'll go a little harder. Actually, nick the body there, but some of y'all are probably cringing and like, no, don't do it so freaking hard, man. But I don't want no air leaking, so all right, let's test it out and see if we get any leaks. So this is how it is. Okay. Hopefully I wasn't out there. Dang, I wasn't even watching the screen. So we got our quick connector, I guess you would call it, and then we have a quick disconnect for our hose like this. All right, so let's put this in here. Okay, just like that. Just put our hose in, and just like that. Hopefully that's going to be a good seal. I don't know, but we're going to probably mute this or turn this down. It's going to be loud. I don't want your ears to get blown off. So let's actually we'll cut out and then we'll come back in when it's full and we'll check it out. It's moving on me. That's how you would release that water from down there. And then I'm going to get some soapy water. I don't see any leaks. I don't see any bubbles coming out or anything like that. For right now, they look like a solid connection. If this is the wrong way to do it, let me know in the comments and I'll change it. But if this is satisfactory, if I did it the right way, you know, well then I did it the right way, and maybe you can do it the same way if you have this same type of a compressor. Just know that if you do another one on this side, you'll have to do the same thing and put another one here for the air coming out of here. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you out. I'll put these links in the description where I got these. I know not everybody has a big box store or, you know, a place to go to, so a lot of people have to get stuff online. So I will put them links to like Amazon. I think I can find them on there, and you know, you can get them. You know, it doesn't cost you anything to to click the link and buy it from there. It helps this channel out, helps me out, helps this channel out, so that I can, you know, use that to either buy things like this for stuff around here and make videos on it, and to just show you how I use things, and maybe it'll help you out and to use it in your situation. Or I can, if I have enough coming in from that, I can buy things for giveaways, just to help, you know, give back. And you know, I never use those things to put money in my pocket or anything like that. You know, and I also do the same thing on my other channel. I'll leave a link down in the description to my other channel. It has to do with all type of printing methods or printing processes, like screen printing, sublimation, heat transfers, and stuff like that. We are going to expand and get into other different printing processes or printing methods, and you know, just showing you the ins and outs and stuff like that on that side. So yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and subscribe, ding the little bell to get notifications. I do have some more videos coming up, repairing my air blower, replacing the lines in that thing and stuff like that. So yeah, hope this video was good. Check you on the next one.